Have you ever wondered what a credit score really is? It's more than just a number. It's key to your financial future. A credit score measures your creditworthiness. It's a score that lenders look at when you apply for loans. Understanding your credit score is crucial. It affects mortgages, car loans, and even renting an apartment. A good score can save you thousands. Let's break down how a credit score works. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. Higher scores indicate better creditworthiness. Scores are based on several factors. Payment history is the most important. Next is credit utilization. This measures how much of your available credit you are using. Credit history length also matters. Longer credit histories can be beneficial. New credit inquiries can lower your score temporarily. Lastly, credit mix influences your score. Having various types of credit can improve it. Now, let's look at some examples. Imagine you are a student. If you responsibly use a credit card, your score can benefit. Young professionals can also improve scores by paying bills on time. Women sometimes face unique challenges with credit. Understanding scores helps to overcome obstacles. Immigrants may lack credit histories. Secured credit cards can help them build scores. So, how can you check your credit score? You can use free online services. Checking your score regularly can help you spot errors. If you want to improve your score, start paying bills on time. Keep credit balances low and avoid opening too many accounts at once. Overall, understanding credit scores is essential for financial success. Remember, a good score equals better opportunities. Take control of your credit today. Check your score, make a plan, and act. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.